mesh to see our in diffraction pattern using single slit, we can use a single slit like this. So this is a knob where we can actually turn to adjust our slit width. So if we can turn like this to increase our width. So remember that to get a diffraction pattern, you should always have a very less width. So you should adjust to a lower width like this, and we can place this one through the laser light and observe the in the diffraction pattern. This is a setup to observe our diffraction pattern using single slit. This is our laser, and we put our slit here through the path of the laser, and we can adjust to get the light pass through the slits. Then we can observe the pattern here. This is a pattern where you can see that there is a center maxima, and we have a higher order maxima and minimas on both sides. Okay, to see it clearly, I can put this screen near to my slit. Then I can turn my knobs to see whether the patterns are increasing or decreasing. So if I decrease my slit width, what you can observe that your patterns are widened. Okay, so the patterns are widened and you get a maximum. So this is the maximum. Then you can change to uh, if you increase your slit width, this become very closer. Okay, that's arrangement.